guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, apart from me being full of cold, Jason and I have expertly fitted Motorhome Wi-Fi dedicated system into this 2022 Atlas. Now, the sliding door conversions, we always have a bit of a battle with these because of the way that the ridge roof is, and also then looking for a decent, safe place inside that's functional for the Wi-Fi system. But what we'll do is we'll start with the roof. So this particular vehicle has been definitely measured 5 times, probably more than 5 times to be fair. Now, if we have a quick look up here, I'll get out the way so that the cameraman can come up. We use a specific mount that allows us to mount on top of the main ridge here, and there's a foam padding section or cutout that goes on top of the roof to then make up for the fact that you've got a gap underneath. What we have had to do on this particular vehicle is, because inside, which you'll see in a minute, we had literally millimetre of tolerance to work with, and also to make it look nice and neat and tidy inside. We've gone with a black antenna to suit the other features and functions and aesthetic of the van, and then cable is all routed in through after it's been sealed and connected up to the router. So we'll have a quick look inside. So a really nice layout in this one. I have to say that we work on so many of these sliding door conversions, and we've seen some conversions that we're not overly impressed with. I know we're incredibly fussy, but I really like this one. Really well made and really well thought out. So let's have a quick look. So, rear lounge, bed area, nicely designed, nicely thought out. You've got your access to the window blinds, like so. You've got your rear windows so that you don't feel like you're hemmed in when you're sat in the van. Really tastefully decorated, love the cupboards, yeah, really nice. And it just makes us even more, when we're working on these things, to make sure that everything that we do is then sort of in line with the rest of the build. So hopefully Sammy can get in here. He's a big chap, so he might be able to fit in this van. But there we go. We have fitted the Wi-Fi inside this little convenient locker or cupboard. The TV antenna has already been fitted, so that we have to work around there. And then the actual router itself, which is here, has been hole sawed in for the antennas and the power cable, but still really accessible for the user. And then if I just shut this cupboard, you'll see on the left-hand side here above the TV, we've got some magnetic glasses. They really are glasses, not plastic polycarbonate. So they're on magnets, so that's fine, they don't go anywhere. And we've then bought our cabling, we've drilled through the roof, really neat, and then been able to take our cable down the back through into that little back of that dummy cupboard to allow us to do a really neat installation. If you wanted to be really fussy, you could pick up some sort of grey carpet like this, and then you could put something round here to hide it. But to be honest, I think we've done a really nice, neat, professional job. So let's just lift the cupboard back up again. Let's press the little on-off button on the top here. I'm just going to scroll through the various accept and continue, and that's it. Now, this customer has given us already a smarty SIM card to put in, and that just goes to show that it's in, it's working, it's charging, and we've got signal already inside the building, but we are inside our workshop. But it's really accessible for this user as well, and it's nice and neat. So still use this for bits and pieces without it getting in the way. And this is the 5G Compact Smart Pro Wi-Fi system in this 22 Fiat Ducato. So if you've got a vehicle like this or any other vehicle and you want Wi-Fi, don't forget to get in touch with us. We are the experts. We're based down here in Poole in Dorset. You can get in touch with us via the contact form on the website, and we can get you booked in. And many thanks for watching.